That is a giant lobster. You can see where my spear went through. I'm gonna get him on the hot coals. Just give it a little blow and it bursts up into flames again. I'm gonna let these smoke and cook away and check on that sea snake. And those ants bite and they really, really hurt. Alright, now I need to focus on getting this lobster cooked. I reckon it's time to flip over. The coals are still red hot. Let's go open a coconut. So thirsty, dude, so thirsty.